Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and fellow Earthlings, welcome to the one and only Danigala Mountain, Sri Lanka's very own alien mountain. Now before you panic and start looking for tinfoil hats, let me tell you, this place is a true geological and historical wonder. Some say it's a UFO landing site, some say it's an ancient observatory, and some just think it's a great place to get a solid leg workout. So, grab your spacesuits, hiking boots, and let's explore. Alright science nerds, this one's for you. Danigala is what's called an Inselberg. Fancy word, right? Basically it's a giant rock island sticking out of the earth, formed from ancient Precambrian rocks. And by ancient, I mean around 2 billion years old. That's older than dinosaurs. Older than your grandma's secret curry recipe, and probably older than your Wi-Fi connection when it's acting up. Danigala isn't just a pretty rock, it's a history book written in stone. Archaeologists have found evidence that people lived here over 125,000 years ago. And guess what? They left us some seriously cool messages. Carved into the caves and cliffs you'll find petroglyphs, ancient rock carvings dating back as far as 5,500 BCE. And these aren't just random doodles from a bored caveman. They include geometric patterns, animals, humanoid figures, and wait for it, symbols that could be part of an ancient astronomical counting system. I mean, what if these early humans were already tracking the stars before Google Maps was even a thing? Alright, now let's talk about the elephant. Or should I say, the UFO, in the room. Locals call this the Alien Mountain because of the strange lights and objects people claim to have seen here. Now, I'm not saying it's aliens, but it's kinda suspicious, right? Plus, the mountain's circular shape, the ancient carvings, and the whole mysterious vibe. It's enough to make any sci-fi fan lose their mind. Whether you believe in extraterrestrial visitors or not, one thing's for sure, this place is out of this world. Okay, so maybe you're not here for aliens, but don't worry, Danigala has plenty of earthly adventures to offer. If you're into hiking, rock climbing, or just pretending you're in an Indiana Jones movie, this is the place for you. The trails will lead you through lush greenery, and if you make it to the top, you'll be rewarded with jaw-dropping views of the valleys and forests below. Pro tip: visit in the early morning or late afternoon. Not only will you avoid the scorching heat, but you'll also get a spectacular sunrise or sunset show, no ticket required. Danigala isn't just a rocky wonderland, it's a mini wildlife paradise. Since it's located in Sri Lanka's dry zone, you'll find all sorts of cool plants and animals here. If you're into nature photography, get your cameras ready because you never know what you'll spot. Just remember, look, don't touch. And please, for the love of Mother Nature, don't leave your snack wrappers behind. The only thing that should be out of this world here is the beauty, not your litter. Alright, before you embark on your epic Danigala adventure, here are some quick tips. Wear sturdy hiking shoes. This isn't a casual stroll in the park. It's a climb. Carry plenty of water and snacks. You'll thank me later. Seek permission from the head priest at Kandagama Raja Mahaviharaya before visiting. Most importantly, respect the environment. This mountain has been here for millions of years. Let's not ruin it in one afternoon. And there you have it, Danigala Mountain, Sri Lanka's very own slice of mystery, history, and adventure. Whether you come for the incredible hikes, the ancient carvings, or just to see if aliens drop by, one thing is certain, this place is unforgettable. So what do you think? UFO hotspot or just an insanely cool mountain? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures around Sri Lanka. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep looking up. Who knows what you might see.